Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do with the rest of the revival hymn, um, like pom poms you have left. So the event has ended, but you still can exchange items here in Heartopia. It says closes at 30th of April at 6 a.m. I think it's going to be different for everyone here, but go redeem. And what I suggest you do is you collect all of them so you can get this, so you can like complete the collection. So if you go to collections here and go to special furniture, and then there's where is it? Hold on. The Easter egg cottage. You can get 60 wishing stars by collecting all of them. So I just need to collect the balloon bouquet, the garland, and the colorful egg tree. So I'm just going to do that. Hopefully I have enough pom-poms. Let's see. Go redeem. Let's do this one. I think I don't have this one. And then let's do the balloon bouquet and the garland. Okay, I have enough. So let's go back to, oh, okay. Why don't I have enough? I thought I have enough. Hold on. Oh, I do have enough. Get a special furniture and you're able to then collect the wishing stars. You can then exchange the rest for coins if you want to. Um, it doesn't really match my furniture, so I think I'm going to go ahead and collect the gold coins instead for the rest. But you can do anything you want with them. You can use it for these furnitures as well. But I'm just going to spend my gold on it. Okay. That's too much. 275. Let's see. There we go. Purchase. And then I'll get 2,750 because it was like times 10 or something. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!